In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop that annoying buzzing noise in your microphone while using a laptop plugged in. Of course, you could just unplug your laptop and it will be okay to record your audio. But if you're playing a game or recording for too long, you need to get your laptop plugged in. This buzzing noise happens because your house has no grounding. So to easily solve that, we'll ground only the laptop using the following materials: a USB cable, a big screw, some tape, a drilling machine, a hammer. Make sure your USB cable is big enough to go from your desk to the floor. Drill a hole on the floor, then use your hammer to pull the screw. Rotate it a little bit to get it fixed. Very important, the screw must touch the ground. The next step is to plug your USB cable to your laptop, then to the screw. The USB metal has to touch the screw. Use a tape to fix it in the place. Now let's check again if it worked. Thanks for watching.